we'll guide you through how to switch Brave profile. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Brave on your computer and make sure you remain on the profile you are currently using. Before proceeding, ensure that your profile menu contains at least 2 separate profiles, as this feature is only available when multiple Brave profiles have already been created. Once confirmed, locate the profile icon positioned in the top right corner of the browser window and click it. Wait a moment for the profile menu to appear fully. At the very top of this menu, review the currently active profile to confirm which workspace you are using. Directly below this section, you will see the Other Brave Profiles area, which displays a list of all additional profiles you have created. Carefully review this list to locate the profile you want to switch to. Once you have identified the desired profile, click either the profile name or the avatar icon associated with it. After clicking, wait for a new Brave window to open, which will automatically load the selected profile. Verify that this new window has fully loaded and confirm that the profile's bookmarks, settings, and extensions are visible, indicating that you have successfully switched to the correct workspace. If you want to return to your original Brave window, simply repeat the process. Click the profile icon again and select your initial profile from the list. Additionally, for more advanced management, click the gear icon located in the profile menu to access profile management. Here, you can review all available profiles, edit their names or avatars, change theme colors, or remove profiles you no longer need. Use this interface to organize your Brave workspaces efficiently, ensuring that each profile is tailored for specific tasks, such as work, personal browsing, or content creation. By following these steps, you can easily switch between multiple Brave profiles without affecting the settings or data of your other accounts.